Okay, this is how you can find when altcoin season starts.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
We have our first website, which is Crypto News. It's a general overview or an article about altcoin season index and how it's different than Bitcoin season index or the Bitcoin season of cryptocurrencies. Highly recommended. You can see we have different cycles, different years, and this is good if you plan or are already planning are in cryptocurrency. The next website is Altcoin Season Index itself. As you can see, this is a website and we have a chart or a graph you choose of basically when altcoin season has been in effect all the way from 2017 up until currently of 2024. The next website is cointelegraph.com. It's another article on another website highlighting what altcoin season is in the cryptocurrency space. Highly recommend checking all three of these websites. Link will be in the video description.